Which video doorbell camera is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Ring Battery Doorbell. Let's kick things off with the Ring Battery Doorbell. Priced at $59.99, this is Ring's best-selling model, and it really caught my attention with its head-to-toe video feature. If you want a reliable doorbell that gives you a clear view of who's at your door, this is worth a serious look. The 66% more vertical coverage means you can catch every detail, whether it's a package delivery or an unexpected visitor. You'll love the live view feature, allowing you to see and talk to anyone at your door right from your phone. Plus, the built-in battery charges easily through a USB-C port, making installation a breeze. With over 49,400 reviews and an impressive 4.6-star rating, it's clear that this doorbell is a favorite. Now, some folks mention that the smart alerts, which tell you if there's a person or package at your door, require a subscription for full functionality. Here's the thing though, you still get all the essential features without paying extra, so it's not a deal breaker for most users. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward, easy-to-use video doorbell without hidden costs. Skip this one if you need advanced features that require a subscription. For the price, you're getting solid value here. Now, if the subscription requirement bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with no hidden fees. Product number 2, BOIFUN Video Doorbell Camera Wireless. Next up is the BOIFUN Video Doorbell Camera Wireless, priced at just $44.99. This model grabbed my attention with its no-subscription promise and impressive 2K HD resolution. If you want an affordable option without the ongoing fees, this is definitely worth considering. The AI chip enhances security by providing instant motion alerts and filtering out unnecessary notifications from pets or passing cars. Plus, the battery can last up to 60 days, so you won't be constantly recharging it. With a 4.3-star rating from 4,000 reviews, it's clear that people appreciate this product. However, some users reported that the motion detection could be overly sensitive at times, leading to occasional false alarms. But honestly, if you tweak the settings, you can avoid most of that, making it a minor issue. This is perfect for you if you want a solid feature set without any ongoing costs. Skip this one if you're looking for super advanced features or 24/7 video recording. It's a great value for the money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want even more functionality. Product number 3, BOIFUN 180 Degrees Video Doorbell. Now, let's talk about another model from BOIFUN, their 180 Degrees Video Doorbell, priced at $49.99. This one really surprised me with its ultra-wide angle and head-to-toe view. If you want to capture everything at your doorstep, this is a fantastic choice. After a full charge, this doorbell can run up to 120 days, which is pretty impressive. With a 4.3-star rating from about 1,200 reviews, it's gaining traction fast. However, some users pointed out that it only supports two 4 GHz Wi-Fi, which might be a drawback for those with 5 GHz networks. But here's the thing, the 4 GHz connection is generally more reliable for devices like this, especially when it comes to range. This is perfect for you if you want a wide field of view that covers all your bases. Skip this one if you have a 5 GHz network and don't want to switch. It's a well-priced option for the features you get. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more premium, the next product might just up the ante. Product number 4, UFi Security Video Doorbell E340. Next, we have the UFi Security Video Doorbell E340, which comes in at $149.99. This one stands out with its dual cameras and 2K FHD resolution. If you want comprehensive coverage of your entryway, this is definitely worth your time. The dual camera setup captures both visitors and packages, which is super handy if you get a lot of deliveries. Plus, with built-in local storage, you don't have to worry about subscription fees, saving you over $120 a year. The night vision is also impressive, allowing for clear visibility up to 16 feet. It has a solid 4.2-star rating from 3,800 reviews, indicating that users are quite satisfied. On the downside, some users mention that the installation could be tricky if you're not handy. This is perfect for you if you want a high-end model that covers all bases with no extra fees. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with installation or want something more budget-friendly. It's definitely a worthwhile investment. If the price tag made you think twice, my next pick is much more budget-friendly while still offering great features. Product number 5, KAMEP Doorbell Camera. Finally, let's check out the KAMEP Doorbell Camera, which is also priced at $49.99. This one really caught my eye with its 180 degrees full-body view and smart human detection. If you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on features, this is a solid contender. The rechargeable battery lasts a good 1-2 months, which is pretty convenient. With a 4.3-star rating from 1,300 reviews, it seems to be well received. However, some users found the installation instructions a bit confusing. But here's the thing, once you get through it, the performance makes it worth it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable video doorbell that covers all the essentials. Skip this one if you need detailed installation guidance or if you're not tech-savvy. It's a great value for anyone keeping an eye on their front door. So there you have it, the top 5 best video doorbell cameras without subscriptions. From Ring's user-friendly interface to Eufy's dual cameras, there's something for everyone's needs and budget. Just remember to consider what features matter most to you. Happy shopping!